Hello and welcome to Digital Tech. If you want to drive organic traffic and healthy sales to your website, or if you have a YouTube channel that you want to gain subscribers for, generate views and likes as well as online income on, the simple truth is you need a strategy. For this, I've designed a complete YouTube course to teach and help you out. Now, the strategy is very simple. You just create videos to get in front of your audiences, and then you funnel visitors back to your website with links over the videos like this. A YouTube card or link in this description. You might have questions about what the types of videos are that you can make, and what the content should be of those videos. That's exactly what I'm going to help you figure out today. I want to take you through 3 examples for 3 different strategies and 3 different types of videos that you can make. The 3 types that are known to work are, first one is educational, second is storytelling of a certain brand or a business, for example, a success story of a certain brand, and entertainment videos. You can pick from these 3 types of contents and decide what is the strategy that's going to suit you best. Now let's take a look at some real-life examples. The first example I'm going to use is Luxy Hair. Luxy Hair is a hair extensions brand, and they have built a 7-figure business off the back of YouTube. Here's the great example of how they're doing it and how you can too. As you can see, they have 2 different how-to videos here, and they have millions and millions of views. On YouTube, just an educational video showing you potential customers or your current customers had to do something, and it is something that features the product, so you can see here in the description that says in today's. Educational content is huge on YouTube. Over 70% of the searches are like how-to searches. People really come to YouTube to learn how to do things, and YouTube, do not forget, is the 2nd largest search engine in the world, after obviously Google. So having this educational video is an extremely great strategy. You don't always have to feature a product. You may not have a product, but you can still educate people on how to do certain things and then redirect them back to your website. What else you can do is, if a customer wants to learn more about your product or service, you can redirect them back to your website for additional educational content that is placed on your website. They have a link to the store, and we open this up. We'll open the link at this point. You can see where we are straight into the store, and there's a great call to action from their YouTube videos. So, you've learned the first type of idea that you can make videos on is educational videos, and it's an extremely great strategy for YouTube. Let's have a look at the second type of videos that you can create. And a great example of our second type of video is GoPro. The second type of video is really brand storytelling, and GoPro does and produces extremely well. You can see they have a video here where a fireman saves a kitty, and you could probably see the huge appeal of this because there are 42 million viewers on it. The strategy is working very well and really is the story brand telling. Videos are people just living their taglines, which is to be a hero. So this is a perfect example of somebody obviously utilizing their product to film this video, and then they're featuring their customer on the YouTube channel as an example of someone living their brand message. And even if you come down to the original video, at this point, go to the video's description. So the original video was someone who just uploaded this onto YouTube, and they obviously just reached out and said, hey, can we feature you? You don't have to have a GoPro company, but the idea is that you could still feature your customers' testimonials, their stories, their success stories, etc. Those are the types of videos that you can put on YouTube to directly show your brand or your company, and then get them to go back to your product or your website. Drive traffic and people back to your website by doing the same exact thing, and how you can be successful as well. That leads me to the third type of video that you can create on YouTube to drive traffic and sales for your product. And the third type is of entertainment type videos. Now, these are probably the hardest type of videos to make for a business. But one example of somebody doing this really well is VAT19. They're an e-commerce store and they make videos, entertaining videos really featuring their products. Let's have a look at their videos. So this video titled, "Why is this toy worth $1,000?" So pretty bizarre type of video for an e-commerce store, but essentially they just do crazy things with their products that they feature, and they have a link to their store here where you can buy any of their products that they are sharing. So you can make entertainment style videos to really feature your product or service, or how you can help people. This is extremely interesting. You can also see that they link off to Amazon. So you could do the thing and link off to Amazon or Walmart affiliated commissions that were from YouTube as well. That's another strategy. So it's very interesting to see that there are three main types of videos that you can create. To recap, the first type was the educational. The second type was the brand storytelling. And the third type was pure entertainment videos. The rule applies to all three types of the videos, and the rules are to bring traffic, to try and bring people and traffic back to your website. Do click on the like button if you like this video. I really hope I was able to help you out. Thank you.